Week 4, day 1. The weekend has been horrible. The weight is looking horrible, but we're gonna fix this. But for now, I'm gonna make my breakfast, which is this quick smoothie, some kothimber, some carrots, some beet, one alyacha tukda, and
What's a tukda?
alyacha tukda, ginger, piece of ginger. She'd asked me to put a papaya, but I'm gonna put a banana because the papaya I bought from Blinkit is kacha.
Okay. So फेंक देना था.
And banana. I'm gonna just put half a banana. Guy just finished all the water in the house. Some water. I just hope this is gonna be good. Why is it not working? Alright, we're gonna have to drink this. I have to leave for work. I'm getting late. It's disgusting. It's horrible. It's horrible. After that atyachar on my stomach on a Monday morning, it's time to head to work. Fatafat. Quickly giving you a lowdown on week 4. This is the week where there's a possibility that my husband can come at the end of this week. Yay! Also, along with that, this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm off to Lonavala with my girls for a beautiful girls' weekend out to at least lose 1.5 kilos. Then we'll be absolutely on target for the entire month, 4 kilos in 1 month.
Show them some good stuff, dude.
Also, what is the good stuff?
Sky.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, continue.
But we'll be on track tomorrow.
Tell
We
them
have
if
to
you
be
ran.
104.5 by the end of this week. That's the aim. What? I ran?
मतलब ऐसा भागी ना कल.
Huh. Yesterday I also like sort of did a little bit of
But the
jogging,
good things as well.
but also like I walked like a maniac yesterday for 45 minutes.
No,
Um,
you are. You walk like yourself.
Why don't you have your own vlog, okay? And then you say all the things you want to in your vlog. This is mine. Moron.
You moron.
Guess I forgot their dabba at home. इतना पैक करके मैं बैग में रखा and I forgot my dabba. Now I'm trying to figure out what is close to bhakri dal for lunch on Zomato. How's your life, Gavi?
Life is great. It's stress free.
It's stress free. Don't say so lovely in office, Mama.
I've got a lot of stress, by the way. I was just lying.
Forgot my dabba at home, so now I'm eating idli, the thatte idli from Gatti Chutney. Massive daddy issues. And then when all the men in my life get totally trolled by me because all that anger goes in that direction. So I've given too much torture to this guy. In my pursuit of wanting to have dinner before 7, I'm quickly stepping downstairs to have some quick beer. And that'll be the end of it. But yep, that's what we're planning on doing. Week 4, day 2. And I have to say that while the weighing scale may not look so good, I don't know why, just have one of those days, I think, where you're inflamed or whatever. I'm not paying too much attention to that. However, I feel like I'm looking very thin. Alright, it's time for my yoga. So I'm gonna go for yoga and be back. Not taking my camera. Alright, yoga's done and we're ready to go to work. But before that, we're gonna have lunch with my friends. So let's do that and then go. Oh god. This place is an uphill climb and I got dropped by Siddhant here. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at these two placing orders. It's been a really chill day actually. but I didn't feel like shooting much content today. My diet की तो धज्जियाँ उड़ गई है. I had shakshuka today for brunch and I haven't had anything after that. And I'm planning on going Kela day after this. And tomorrow also I think I'm going to go on a detox. I walked 2 miles.
2 miles?
4,000 steps. You can practically see the gham coming down from my... Can you? Can't see. Week 4, day 3, and one has skipped exercise. I don't know why. And one is very low on motivation this entire week, especially after finding out कि एक दिन के diet के बाद weight कम नहीं हो रहा है. This is ridiculous. One needs to get back on the bandwagon. So today is also going to be a detox. But one of the interesting things is I'm fitting into, not fitting into, I used to fit into this also. But it's like crazy loose. This is where I am. This is where this is. Also, this used to be tight around my arms, which is why I should never wear it. But I just thought I'd quickly come down here to say a couple of things. One is, of course, I know that a lot of dietitians say that you are, in my diet you're allowed to eat vada pav, and in my diet you're eat. But I've realized over the years that when you're over 100 kilos, at least for me, my main goal is to come below 100 first before I start thinking of a sustainable way of living, because this is danger zone. Like my BMI is like complete obesity. So right now my focus is to just ensure that I lose weight, and I don't care about sustainability right now. But this is my journey, so please, if you want to get on this journey, you need to consult your own team of experts. I have my own team of experts, and that's how I'm living my life. So please, that's one. And secondly, I feel like this vlog is more about how I end up losing weight, and it's definitely not the Bible for you to end up losing weight. So repeating it again, please consult your own doctors and experts before you start your transformation journey. Reviewing Marathi web series Premala Conditions Apply, this time for OTT Deva Bhava, our YouTube channel's review show. यार कंटेंट बनाने का मन नहीं कर रहा. It's 6:15. It's time for doodh bhakri, and it's time for me to show you how I make it in office. Okay, took some milk from the fridge and poured it in my bowl. Oh yeah, need to heat it. Alright, it's time to go home. It's the end of week 4, day 3, and I'm also locking my lips, no more eating. Week 4, day 4. It is going to be the last day of the week, I think, today for you guys on this vlog, because tomorrow onwards I'm at Radisson Lonavala, where I am going to be putting on all the weight that I have lost in this week. By the way, I am at 104.9, and I forgot to record it on the weighing scale.
Why?
But because I was too sleepy, I just got up and stood on the scale.
अभी थोड़ी देर में रिकॉर्ड कर देता हूँ.
पर अभी मैं ये कपड़े, नहाया, योगा सब किया है, पानी बहुत पिया है मैंने, so it may not reflect the right weight.
आपको भी मजा आएगा देखने में.
क्या?
जाओ अब मजा आएगा देखने में.
Okay, ठीक है. Listen, I did it with zero clothes on, my weighing, and this is now with jeans and this thing.
भारी
300 ग्राम तो कपड़ों का होगा ही यार. Siddhant, Saurabh,
yes.
Bharat, all these boys today giving me company in the studio. आज सुबह उठ के 104.9 देख लिया है weighing scale पे. So I think before 7 o'clock today एक पानी पूरी तो बनता है.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog.
Channel to my welcome guys.
Yeah. Now we're going for some pani puri with.
हाँ भाई बाहर आके बड़ा अच्छा लगा भाई.
There's RJ. We have Bharat from Pune. Represent P-Town.
हाँ.
So we have left. houseful in the auto.
Totally.
Oh my god, yeah. As you can see.
The very fact that three of us sat in a rickshaw quite comfortably, four of us, means that I have lost weight. Look at us in this rickshaw sitting so comfortably, dude.
Who said I'm sitting comfortably, first of all?
Parent ने अपनी
पीछे
जो
जाना फिर. So cool, lovely. When you are coming, Bobby. Bangladesh is happening. Oh, week 4, day 5, starting with some bitching of random people in our lives. But yeah, so far it's my vacation day. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm gonna be on vacation. I've had half of this vati of sabudana khichdi. I'm having some tea today. कारण साबुदाणा खिचडी बरोबर चहा पाहिजे. The khichdi is beyond beautiful. Can you show me a bowl of khichdi? My maid has made the hirvya rangachi green khichdi. Have a bite. It's too good. When my husband comes back and eats this, he's gonna go nuts. Every day he will want this.
I'll divorce you and